up? It's Lorena. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. I'm Lorena, and first things first, I know I've been gone pretty much all summer, you guys. I'm so sorry, but with everything going on in the world, I really felt like I was losing myself. And so I decided to take a step back, kind of just like figure things out, figure out like what my goals were again, what my plans are, what I want from life. And now I'm so excited and happy to be back. And if you'd like a video on that, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to talk to you guys about my little self-care journey. But for today's video, I am sharing with you guys my room tour. This is a video that's been highly requested on a bunch of my other videos, and I've also gotten DMs on Instagram asking me to do this. So I'm happy to be sharing my space with you today. This is exciting because this is like my place where I create, where I daydream, where I get inspired, and it's just such high vibes for me in here. So I'm so excited to have you all here today. And I also want to do a quick disclaimer. I am in no way, shape, or form bragging about this room. I'm very fortunate and grateful to have parents that built this for me. This actually used to be a garden, and now it's my room, and I had the opportunity to choose the floors, choose how I wanted like the wood to be painted, choose all the furniture. So I'm extremely grateful, and I'm very, very excited to share this with you guys, and hopefully this can inspire you to spruce up your space, your room, any creative space. And without further ado, let's get into this video. So this is the entrance to my room. It's a big white door with blinds, and I can always open them. It has a really nice window. I also have a rug right in the front, and then let's go clockwise. Right here I have this beautiful dream catcher with the tree of life. I think it just looks so beautiful and goes with my winter wonderland cabin theme of my room. In this little nook, I have a whole bunch of bags, and in the bottom I keep some of my house shoes. I'm wearing my slippers during this video, and over on this side of the column I have more bags that I have not been able to wear because of the pandemic. I literally have not gone out. Right here I have this little white nightstand, and on the side I have some like room deodorants. Inside of the nightstand I have some notebooks, some books, and then in here I have more books that I want to read. And on top, I have a white lamp that I think is so beautiful, a coaster for when I bring in drinks, my owl piggy bank, a candle, my acne medication, and some room sprays. This is what my bed looks like. I have a big white comforter on top. I just love how it looks, and I love how it feels. It's so nice and cool when I go to sleep. I also keep this beautiful mauve pink blanket on top for when I take little naps, and I love having a whole bunch of pillows. My favorite two are these yellow satin pillowcases. They're amazing for your hair and for your skin, and they prevent wrinkles. I got this 2-pack from TJ Maxx for like $8. Instead of having a headboard, I actually have this white wooden decorative piece where I keep some decorative elephants, some photographs, and a crystal cross. I just feel like it's such a different look, and of course it's from IKEA, as is my bed and my nightstands. So that's what it looks like. One of my favorite parts about my bed is that it has drawers on each side, 2 on each to be exact, and I keep a whole bunch of clothes that I'm not currently wearing. In here I keep a lot of like winter clothes and my Adler black clothes for when I do go back. So it's just a really great storage option. So now we are moving to the other side of my room. Right here I have this wonderful off-white shaggy rug. It's from Home Goods. And over here I have my other white nightstand from IKEA. On the top you can see I have another lamp that matches the one on the other side. And I also have this outlet with multiple ports so I can plug in all my devices. And I also have another little elephant. If you notice closely, I have elephants all over my room, and Dumbo is one of my childhood favorites. In here, I keep some magazines, some folders, a notebook, some markers, some portable chargers, a head massager, and baby Franklin, who takes care of my room. Inside my nightstand, I have this little drawer that has a whole bunch of random things. Over here, I have one of my favorite parts of my room, and it's my wardrobe. It's actually 3 wardrobes. They're all the pack systems from IKEA, so you can completely design the inside so it fits your wardrobe needs. But at the top, I just have all my dresses. In this drawer, I have my fitness clothes. And in the bottom, I have all my shorts and skirts. So I feel like it's pretty organized. Again, I absolutely love that I was able to customize every single part of these wardrobes, even the doors. So the 2 in the middle are mirrored. Hey guys, that's what I'm wearing today. What's up? Oh, and before I forget, I wanted to show you guys what I keep on this side of my under the bed storage drawers. And this one I keep all my boots when it's off season. So it's just such a great way to be efficient in your space and use as much of, like, you know, the space as possible, especially for someone with a lot of clothes and shoes like me. Inside of these mirrored doors is all, well, most of my shoes. At the top I have a lot of my booties, and it's like 2 more rows behind them, then high heels, sandals, and in the bottom sneakers and hats, and a few little scarves and other accessories. So this is the third part of my wardrobe. I'm not going to open it because I don't want to make this video too long, but if you'd like to see a full closet tour, let me know and I can definitely do that. Over on this side I keep some longer length items like my kimonos, and then over here I have this little nook where I keep my yoga mat, some weights, and my vacuum for when I need to clean up. Right here I have this Himalayan pink salt nightlight, and fun fact, I'm actually scared of the dark, so I have 2 around my room. Against this wall I have my white furry ottoman. Inside I keep some bags and some backdrops for when I do auditions and things like that. And I also have this little makeshift wooden desk with my laptop and some desk things on top. Over there I have my vanity, but I just feel like I focus more when it's just my desk things right here. And then I also love being able to move this little ottoman around or the table around to different parts of my room to just work. And on top I keep a to-do list, my pens, and my AirPods, and of course my camera for when I need to import videos to my laptop. Right here I have this bigger version of the fluffy off-white rug. This one is actually from Wayfair, but we don't stand that site anymore. And in front of it I have this huge IKEA full-length mirror. And yeah, this is where I take a lot of my Instagram videos when I'm showing off my outfit of the day and things like that. Starting on this side, I have my little hamper. Oh, and let's quickly go into my bathroom before I forget. So on the left, I have my walk-in shower, and then against the window, I have my towel hanging and my robe over here. In that little corner, I have this little organizer for products and things. So now I'm just going to show you guys my favorite part of my bathroom, and it's where I keep all my skincare products, my masks, my nighttime products, and my daytime moisturizers and everything. But that's pretty much it. My bathroom is really not that interesting. Again, we're back to my hamper. It's huge, and I only like do my laundry like once every week and a half because I like to fill it up, so it's worth it. Above it I have my Himalayan pink salt nightlight, and again, I love this so much, especially when it's nighttime and I have to turn off all the lights. That big wire leads to this port that has multiple outlets, so I can charge all my devices on this side of my room too. And then right here is just my dresser. Again, it's from IKEA, of course, and I keep my underwear, my loungewear, and everything else in there. So on top of my dresser is where I keep most of my accessories, and it's one of my favorite parts of my room. Right here we have like a crystal elephant that's holding some earrings. In the back we have another little elephant and a crystal tree of life. And then right above that I have a lot of my headbands, which is one of my signature hairstyles, and right next to it I have a whole bunch of fluffy scrunchies, which is another one of my signature hairstyles. Down here I have some berets, hair accessories, and earrings, sunglasses, and bracelets, just a whole bunch of stuff. And I just love how this area looks. It always inspires me, and I just feel like everyone should have a space like this in their room. Over in this corner I have some tripods and my ring light. Sometimes I turn it on when I do my makeup so I can get more light in my room, but right now we're gonna turn it back off because it's very bright. So starting right here, I have this monthly calendar to schedule things and to-dos. Right here is a candle, and over here I have my phone on a little stand that I got from the dollar store. I highly recommend it. It's great for when you're getting ready and you want to watch YouTube videos. Next to it, I have this mirror that lights up, and it also has a speaker and can connect via Bluetooth to my phone. So it's just really amazing. I love this gadget. And then in the bottom, I just keep my glasses for when I need to be able to see. Over here I have some lip glosses, brushes, more lip products, my beauty blenders, some to-dos. And now up here is my other dresser. I keep some stationery items, some body mists, and a perfume, my mic that I'm using right now, and this beautiful little shrine of crystals. So as you can see, this is my Alex drawer from IKEA, and I'm just going to show you a few drawers. In this one I keep some nail care items and some skincare items, and then in this one I keep a lot of eyeshadow palettes. Over here inside my vanity, this is what the drawer looks like. It's where I keep most of my daily makeup items. If you'd like a full tour of my whole like makeup organization, vanity and drawers, please let me know and I can definitely do that. Now we are moving on to my little clothing rack. Oh, but before we do, I wanted to let you guys know that my mirror, the big one, is from Burlington. The little one that lights up is from TJ Maxx. And of course, as I told you guys, my vanity and this little Alex dresser drawers and this other dresser are all from IKEA. Pretty much all the big furniture items in my room are from IKEA, and I have no regrets, you guys. So yay, we finally made it to my clothing rack, and this was made by Noe. He made it in 20 minutes, and it was inspired by one I saw from Urban Outfitters that was like $200, and I just thought that was way too expensive, so he made this for me in 20 minutes. In the bottom, I keep a little elephant, of course, some fake flowers that are super colorful and beautiful, and this little mirror that I got from IKEA. I used to use it until I got the one with the lights, but it's still really beautiful, so I wanted to keep it somewhere in my room, and I think in the bottom it just makes such a beautiful piece. Up here I have all my outfits, and I've told you guys before on my Insta stories, if you don't follow me you should, but I like to plan my outfits for the week the Sunday before, so I don't have to stress out when I want to get dressed, when I feel like getting dressed, because there's outfits ready to go with like the tops, bottoms, whatever it is, and accessories. So here I just have a few dresses and a few other things. On one side I have this little crossbody type of fanny pack that I love, and on this side I have a little purse that I also love very much. I also have this little hanger type thing where I keep a whole bunch of accessories and belts, and it's just very useful. Up here I have this little window that has this tiny little curtain that my mom made because I get scared of the dark again. And then right here I have my little AC that's really amazing. And in the bottom I have my Wi-Fi extender for when I need to connect to Wi-Fi to edit some things or do some work. So yeah, this is the full tour of my room. We made it to the end, and I hope you guys enjoyed this tour of my creative space. It was really fun to film it for you guys, and I just had so much fun having you in here. So you guys, that's it for my room tour. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was very fun to film, and I'm just happy I got to share my space with you guys. I will have as many of the furniture items I mentioned linked in the description box as I can find. In case you guys want to buy something, then look in the description box. It should have a whole bunch of links. Thank you guys so much for joining me in my room today, and I will see you in my next video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, as well as hit that subscribe button. I have a lot more videos coming up that I'm so excited to film, and of course hit the notifications bell so you can be notified straight to your device every time I upload. That's it from me. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.